So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to book an economy seat on the Air Canada app. So once the Air Canada app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and select book. Once you're here, you can select your flight type. So if you wanted to do like a round trip flight, a one-way flight, or a multi-city flight, you can do that. I'll just do one way for this example. Now once you're here, you can select where you're departing from. So if I'm departing from Toronto and I'm flying to Montreal as an example, and if I'm going to do this on the first, and I'll press continue, you have your flight selected. You can then choose the passengers that are going, and then right beside it where it says cabin, that's where you want to make sure that economy is selected. So you can go ahead and make sure that economy is selected here, then press close, then go to the bottom and press search one-way flights. Once you're on this page right here, you can view the flights that are taking off. So if I wanted to select this flight right here, I can. And then where it says economy right here, you can see all the different types of economy that are being offered here. So there's basic, there's standard, there's flex, there's comfort, there's latitude, and then there's, etc. So for example, if you just wanted to book basic or standard, you can go ahead and do that, press continue. Then you can review the flight right here. So you can scroll down to the passengers, the flight, type in your payment. You can also see the fare summary right here, and if this looks good to go to the bottom, press accept and book, and then you can book your economy seat that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to book an economy seat on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.